Hello and welcome to Econ Premium. Today we are going to see what policy issues people faced during monetization, Facebook page monetization. So first of all, let's see how these issues happens. Like before, we had policy issues of content, reuse content on our page, and we did the things that was required. We are going to share in this complete tutorial, and now you can see while clicking on view eligibility, we do have only this criteria not met, but before there was some policy issues happening here. So we just went to help center and how we solved all the issues. Like what are the features, what are the things that you have to look after in order to monetize your Facebook page, to not to have any policy issues. So keep in touch with us. We are breaking all these things that is required and you have your page eligible for monetization. So first of all, thanks again. If you haven't subscribed us, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will have all the remaining videos, upcoming videos. So first of all, here you see in Facebook monetization, how you can get your page monetized or policy issue resolved. First of all, you have to look at the thing here in the monetization section. Here some people are having the issues just like we had that some of your content has been issued with the policy or reuse. So limited content were not eligible for monetization. So you have to go here in the page monetization section here in the policy issues. Before we had the issue, so we just solved out that issue by deleting the videos inside our Facebook profile, Facebook page, and then after deleting all the videos, like here you can do this by here going here in the content, and then after going into the content you will see that you can just go to any of your videos here. Like you have to go to your content basically and look at each video one by one, or there is another option so you can know that which video you just posted had an issues. So there is one way that you can just look at here. If there is some issues, it will be highlighted here. But if you are not free and you just want to make it instantly in here, let me switch into profile. Or okay, from here you can just click on this help and support from your profile, and then you can see on the support inbox or what we did already. Here you have to click on reports, your alerts. You have to click on your alerts and you will see no violation, thank you for helping. So this is the thing. If there are some violations, you will see it here regarding any new content. And then you can also switch into your profile. If it is in professional mode, then you can also check same like this. So you see your video has copyright update to review like this. You see, you will see videos like this. If you have copyrighted or something, you will see all the details here, and you can then simply click on see details, and then in here you see if you don't have content that is not owned by you, you will see this copyright content violation issue here inside this. So you have to simply delete all the videos. You can check it from the date, published, and time. So you can go to simply create a studio, and from there you can easily remove this thing. And the same thing you can resolve like this. Once you have deleted all the videos like this, you can easily click on review and apply again for review for monetization. And once you will So you see, we have 3 new updates. We have like 11 new updates. So here you see we did already have some. So Facebook page profile, and then 18th of December we did this, like we have already posted issues here and we got response, but here it's not showing, maybe due to some issues. So this is the thing how you can monetize your Facebook profile. uh, if you have any policy issues, content copyright issues on your profile, you can delete it from here. And yes, don't hesitate to ask anything in the comment section of this video. And there are more 500 plus free tutorials on Facebook Ad Manager, TikTok Ad Manager, Google Ad Manager, Pinterest, any social marketing media. You will see all the e-commerce things in e-com premium, from from the very basic scratch, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Liquid, even PHP, including all the digital marketing tools. And we are helping free of free of cost on this YouTube. And you guys can also check out our free tutorials that were, and that is paid on Udemy in courses, but here we are giving free uh, education. So you guys can simply make millions of dollars sales from Shopify dropshipping. We are also offering free dropshipping here in our this ecom premium YouTube. Thank you so much. If you like the video, if you understand the concept, how things are doing, how you can get your Facebook profile monetized like this. We had an issue before on this Facebook page, but we sorted it out, and now we, after 1 week after the review, we have no issues and our everything is going smoothly. So, and this is the way you guys will see. If you had policy issues before, you can remove that video like we just shown you, so you can have all the issues resolved. Thumbs up, like the video, and always subscribe whenever you are looking for some solutions. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.